Mic test, test, mic. Just want to see if everything works. That's it. Thank you. Alright, so before we'll start our episode today, shout out to Lydia's Cafe, the sponsor of our video. Yay! Because yeah, just see the link below, Lydia's Cafe, and comment to any of the posts there, hashtag #nobudgetshow, and then let me get back to you. And of course, don't forget Lerio, her link is below in the comment section, but in the description. And please follow her and watch her videos, and you can still do hashtag #nobudgetshow. And Antoy LK Dop, the link is below. Just try to comment hashtag #nobudgetshow. And if you want a better looking skin, we have Skin Reborn by Jaya. The link is of course in the description, so check that out. All right, so let's start. So if you remember the last time we had shake, it was an epic fail because we created a disaster out of avocado, which is, I really don't know why I made that and did not check the avocado itself, because I just missed eating, having avocado shake, but it was epic fail. And today we're hoping to have another shake, and that is banana soy shake. All right, so basic ingredients, of course, our banana. This is not from the Philippines because Dole banana is a bit expensive, so we just have banana somewhere in Ecuador, maybe, I don't know. And then our soybean powder. This is in Japan, but if you want in Philippines, please visit the Lydia's Cafe on Facebook, and let's talk there and let's order. It's very cheap, so check it's around 150 pesos excluding the delivery fee, so please check. And of course, our milk, you can use soy milk, almond milk, whatever milk that you like. And that's it. And of course, ice. I don't put sugar because I'm too sweet already. And yes, it's getting colder because it's bare months already, but it shouldn't stop us to get cold drinks. Let's just try this one. All right, let's do this. Come on. So we're done shaking already, and here's our finished product, the Soy Banana Shake. Indulge, people. Oh no, that's right. Wow, wow. Oops, I got 99 problems saying bye bye bye. That's actually like a mocha color, but here it looks milk, but it's not. It's actually like a mocha. Ta-da! Oishii desho? Oishii desu ne. Thank you for finishing the video, and if you want more videos from this channel, please do subscribe and hit that bell and everything, dang 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 dang. And if you're not yet part of the small fam that I'm trying to make, join the button. Yes, and videos, but other interesting videos over there. Thank you so much, and see you to our next video.